Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, I'm going to teach you how to stop your Android phone or Android device from listening to you. It may sound weird, but trust me, that phone is listening to you. So many Android users are unaware that certain features may allow your phone to listen and gather data in your background. So follow these steps to turn off the settings and reclaim your privacy. So step 1. Open settings and go to Google Services. By opening settings applications on your device, scroll down and tap on Google or Google Services and Preferences. Sometimes it's going to be called Google, sometimes it's going to be called Google Services and Preference. Next one, tap on Privacy and Security. With the same Google Services, tap on Privacy and Security. Inside it, tap on Personalized User Shared Data. You'll see a lot of lists in the application shared data. Turn off all applications on this list to stop database personalizations. Step 4. Turn off the usage and diagnostics. So go back to Google Services Settings, the landing page of Google Settings, and tap on Usage and Diagnostics. Click Switch Off to stop your device from sending diagnostics data to Google. This is the most important part right here for me, so make sure you turn that off. Step 5. Reset and delete advertising ID. Now, in the same Google Services settings, tap on Ads. Then tap on Reset Advertising ID. So after resetting, tap Delete Advertising ID to remove any tracking links to your device. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.